Chip Bank Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You've probably heard about Chip Bank and wondered if it's really worth using. In 2025, Chip Bank continues to attract attention for its unique approach to automated saving and investing, but is it right for you? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by thinking Chip is just another savings app. The surprising truth is that Chip is designed to automate your savings intelligently, using AI to analyze your spending habits and move money into your Chip account when it's safe to do so. This can make saving effortless, especially for people who struggle to set aside money manually. One of the biggest pros is the Boost feature, where Chip invests your spare change in low-risk portfolios, helping your money grow over time. Chip also offers goal-based saving, so you can set targets like a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund, and the app will help you reach it automatically. Users appreciate the simplicity, as it removes the friction of traditional saving methods. Chip offers FDIC-insured accounts for your cash, meaning your money is safe up to the legal limit. The app also provides insights into your spending habits, helping you identify areas to cut back and save more. On the downside, some users note that Chip's investment options are limited compared to full-feature brokerages. While automated, the algorithm isn't perfect, and occasionally transfers may feel unpredictable. There is also a subscription model for premium features, which may not be necessary for casual savers. In conclusion, Chip Bank in 2025 is an excellent tool for anyone looking to save money effortlessly and build financial habits without much effort. It's especially useful for those who want automated investing and goal-based savings. If you're comfortable with the app's limited investment options and occasional subscription fee, Chip can be a smart way to grow your savings consistently.